Peckish. Slightly hungry. Example, I'm feeling peckish. Let's grab something to eat. Grimy. Very dirty or covered with dirt. Example, after playing football, his hands were grimy and needed washing. Nippy. Chilly or cold. Example, it's nippy outside this morning, so don't forget your coat. Infirm. Weak or not strong, often because of age or illness. Example, the infirm old man needed a cane to walk. Expel. To force someone to leave a place or organization. Example, he was expelled from school for breaking the rules. Fed up. Tired, annoyed, or frustrated with something. Example, I am fed up with waiting for the bus every day. Stuff. To fill something tightly with items. Example, she stuffed her suitcase with clothes for the trip. Stink. To have a very bad smell. Example, the garbage bin stinks because it hasn't been cleaned in weeks. Stew. A dish of meat and vegetables cooked slowly in liquid. Example, my mom made a delicious chicken stew for dinner. Discuss. To talk about a topic or idea with someone. Example, let's discuss the project plan over coffee. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.